And welcome to our video on whether a gazebo can increase the value of a home. A gazebo is a freestanding structure with an open roof and sides that is often used for relaxation or entertainment. These structures can be found in gardens, parks, and backyards, and they can provide a shady and serene retreat from the sun and heat. But beyond just providing a pleasant place to sit and enjoy the outdoors, many homeowners wonder if a gazebo can also increase the value of their home. There are several factors that can affect the value of a home, and it's important to consider these when determining whether a gazebo will have a positive or negative impact on the value of a property. These factors include location, condition of the home, size of home, and age of the home. So, can a gazebo increase the value of a home? In some cases, a gazebo can add value to a home by adding outdoor living space, providing a gathering place for entertaining, and enhancing the overall appearance of the property. In conclusion, a gazebo can potentially increase the value of a home, but it depends on various factors such as location, condition, and overall. If you like this video, make sure to like or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.